Hello, it's Lee here. Welcome to day 5 of Junk Journal January, hosted by Meg at Meg Journals in collaboration with Get Messy Art. So the prompt for today is daily log. So welcome back to everybody and who's been here before, and a big heartfelt welcome to anyone who's here for the first time. So I do hope you like the content of my videos. That's what I did yesterday for Tuck Spot. I didn't actually have anything to put in there, but that's what it looks like. Okay, so today the page I'm going to use is this one here, which is a watercolour piece of paper. And I've got some of my jelly prints from the other day. I'm going to use some of that to create a background. And daily log is one of those funny prompts, you know, it could mean a whole heap of different things, but basically a daily log is just a list of, well, this is what it says on Google, so I googled it, a recorded list of a day's events. So it can be things that you do, conversations you've had, this type of thing. So it's a bit, in some ways, a bit like a diary, isn't it? So, but the conversations was what got me. I'm going to loosely use conversations, a recording of conversations, as my theme. Okay, so as I said, I've got some of my jelly prints from the other day. I'm just going to start gluing some pieces of this down. And I've got other things that I can put on the page as well, but I want to start with the jelly prints because they're nice and bright. And so how's everyone going? I hope you've all been playing along and enjoying the challenge. I don't know if all of my regular viewers like me doing my challenge this way, or maybe it's the regular Junk Journal July and Junk Journal January followers that are the ones I should be thinking of, but I'm not sure that they all appreciate, like, this is still a junk journal. A junk journal is an art journal, so in case people are wondering why I'm doing mine in this way, well, there's no rules, is there? So yeah, something a bit different. Okay, so far so good. So I'm just going to keep applying pieces of this paper onto my page. I'll probably fast forward through a couple of bits so the video doesn't get too long. going to cover it in a really thin layer of clear gesso. So I've just mixed up a light blue on that jelly plate similar to this colour, and I want to just paint in these bits where no paper is. So I just thought this colour would look nice in here in contrast to the others. So while I'm waiting for that to dry, I've got the stamp and I've stamped it on a couple of pieces of jelly print, and I'm going to cut them out. So I've got my flowers ready to go on the page, but I would like to just put a little bit of text stamp on there. Actually, I'm going to not use that on the block. Just it's quite subtle, this, because it's really fine scripty sort of writing that's on there. Some other things that were on the sheet with that stamp was this one, and that's almost identical to the one that I did on the first day. So I might just whack one of them in somewhere in the background. I'll just put it in the corner here. And another one just off the page a bit. Yeah, happy with that. Okay, so this is my flowers, so I've just got to work out where to put them. I think that looks better there and that looks better there. So I don't want them to be completely side by side. Maybe on this one I'm going to take that particular bit off, but there's only 2 flowers. And I can always glue that on somewhere else if I feel like it. So 2 flowers there and 3 flowers there. I think that's quite nice and bright and cheery. I've got 2 Posca pens here, a white one and a black one, maybe just some dots. Just in the dark places. There's a few there. Oh, my hand was probably covered when I was doing that, so apologies for that. Okay. And maybe some down here. Can't really see those ones. Okay, let's switch to the black. This is number 5, so I'm just going to put the number 5 down here. Okay, so now for my daily log aspect of this. So I thought I would write something on a piece of paper and then glue it on. Let me think about what I'm going to write. It's going to be something tongue-in-cheek. Actually, I'm going to look for one of my stickers. So, I hope that's focusing. My daily log She said that's a lot of money to spend on crafts, and I knew we couldn't be friends. Took me ages to find that. I knew it was there somewhere amongst that stuff. Does it need to be inked around the edge? Maybe if I just glue it on and then outline it with something, probably be better. Doesn't matter whether it's wet or dry when you're using a Stabilo, it'll go over anything. There we go. I've just got that on there so that isn't distracting. What do you think? I really like this. The only thing that way I could think it could be improved would be with some darker colour in the background, like a dark blue. But this is what we've got at the moment, and I'm really happy with it. So that's daily log, day 5 of Junk Journal January. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know what aspect of it that you really like, or what aspect that you don't like if you don't like it. And if you've got any questions about why did I do this, why did I do that, fire them at me. I'm happy to answer. Until then, I shall see you tomorrow, and we are going to be doing memory. So day 5 finished, memory is the next one. Okay, thanks again for watching. Happy crafting, have fun making your pages, and hugs and cheers from Australia. Hooroo.